Hello, my friends. So I posted this photo on Instagram and asked if any of you would be interested in seeing some more information about how I made this do-it-yourself PVC pipe backdrop stand for my, YouTube studio, so to speak. So I just got 3 pieces of 10-foot long, 3/4 inch PVC pipe from my local hardware store. I also picked up 4 end caps, 4 T-caps, and 2 elbow pieces. You want to make sure those are for 3/4 inch PVC pipe. It should say it right on the end of the box. So I had the first pipe cut into 2 54-inch pieces, basically right in half. I had the second piece cut into 4 30-inch pieces, and the last one I had cut into 4 12-inch pieces. Those are for the feet for the background stand. So what I'm showing you here are the longest pieces, and those are the crossbars that will go across your backdrop stand. Here are the 4 30-inch pieces, and these are going to make up the sides of the backdrop stand. I'm going to build those first. So we're going to connect 2 of those with a T-cap. So they call them that, obviously, because they look like a T. So you're going to fit one piece into one side and another 30-inch piece into the other side. So that's one side completed. You're going to repeat that for the other side. Just like that. Give these a good squeeze. Make sure they're all in there really tight. I didn't do that, and my backdrop stand, the feet kept falling off. It was really annoying. So now I'm making the feet with 2 of the 12-inch pieces and another of the T-caps. I keep forgetting what those are called, and I keep having to look at my list, so sorry about that. So now we're going to put the feet onto the ends of the sidebars. Just like that. And peel the cat hair off of the PVC pipe, because if you didn't know, PVC attracts cat hair. And there's lots of that in my house. So nobody mind my broken IKEA couch. That's what happens when grown-ass men stand on the end of the couch. It collapses. We are getting rid of that couch, hopefully this month. I can't wait. So now I am putting the elbow pieces onto the top of the sides. So this is what's going to hold that top bar, and then the T-square in the middle, the T-cap in the middle is going to hold the middle bar. So I'm going to put that middle crossbar in first. And if you can just like step on one of the feet, and stretch across, you can sort of do this without help. I definitely, it's easier if there's somebody else to help you, but this is totally assemblable by yourself. With a little bit of patience. So now I've got the top bar on 2. Sorry, that was a little bit out of frame. So now the backdrop stand will stand up, and it's basically done. We just got to put those little end caps on the feet, and these are sort of optional. So if you're, trying to save a buck or two, like no big deal if you can't grab these, but it does make it look a little more finished and keep it from sliding around. So that's it. So now you can get a piece of fabric and just put it over the top of this thing, and you are good to go. As you can see, I picked up a sort of light reflective blue fabric from the fabric store. You can see wrinkles on the side over there. So after my video, I went out and bought a couple of those little A-clamps to pull that tight. So here is my receipt. You can see the 3 pieces of 10-foot and then all of the accessories. Cost me $13.58.